Namaste, I'm Swati Vora. We all are sitting here in Pandit Habib Khan Saraswati Temple in Gurukul. Pandit Habib Khan teaches sitar as well as vocal, and he teaches to all students of all ages, of all religions, with all abilities and disabilities.
Sure.
And my daughter Sarika and myself, we both have been learning vocal from Pandit Habib Khan for a few years now. So today Pandit Habib Khan is going to teach us the basics of how to learn vocal. Thank you.
So, thank you very much, Swati Vora. She is very generous. She is very humble person. She is learning last 10 years, and her daughter is learning 5-6 years, and she perform also so many concerts, Swati, and her daughter is performing June 2008. You can see the noise that is called Sam. On beat she is singing definitely. So now I will start again how to learn vocal, and my students are sitting here: Sarika, Swati, Vanita, David and Sanjana. They are all sitting here. So I will sing for them and they will sing for me, and we will learn this way. We start with the scale Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, and that is most beginning class lesson, very beginner. When a student comes, I have to teach starting with Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa. Sometimes it happens when camera start. So we will sing in Rag Bilawal. Today we take Bilawal because we played Yemen and Bhairavi also. Now I want to explain it in Bilawal, which is evening Rag. And now this is Sa. In harmonium I will explain you first before vocal. Ma, in this Ma is Shuddh. In Rag Yemen we use Tivra Ma, but in Bilawal we have to use Shuddh Ma, and Ga is also Shuddh, Re is also Shuddh, Dha or Ni also Shuddh, and Pa and Sa we never count Shuddh or Komal, that is subtle 2 notes. Okay, so we'll start with Sargam. Okay, first I will sing and then you start, repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. Arohi we call ascending and descending. In Hindustani classical language, Arohi, Avrohi. Going up is Arohi, coming back is Avrohi. Start with Sa. But later on we have to sing a little bit fast. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa.
Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa.
This is scale. With this, how tabla will join? Because this is 16. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Complete 16 beats, 16 notes we are, repeat, notes are repeating Sa Sa. We never count Sa Sa. In one saptak we have 7 notes. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni, Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni, like this we count. We never count Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa. We never count 8 notes, we count all the 7 notes. One saptak is 7 notes. So, but here we are using Sa twice and it comes on 16 beats. So, we'll sing again with the tabla. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Da din din da 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 da din din.
Saregama, of course, all my students they know, Akar is very important. If you do Akar properly and fast, you can be very good singer in future. You can be very good classical artist also. Okay, so we'll keep singing for 1 minute, couple of minutes maybe. So Sargam 2 times and 2 times Akar, 2 times Sargam, 2 times Akar, and then Da Din Din Da number, big number. Okay, shall we start? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Saregama padani sa sani da pa ma ga re sa. Saregama padani sa sani da pa ma ga re sa. Saregama padani sa sani da pa ma ga re sa. Saregama padani sa sani da pa ma ga re sa. Saregama padani sa sani da pa ma ga re sa. Saregama padani sa sani da pa ma ga re sa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Saregama padani sa sani da pa ma ga re sa. Saregama padani sa sani da pa ma ga re sa. Saregama padani sa sani da pa ma ga re sa. Saregama padani sa sani da pa ma ga re sa. Saregama padani sa sani da pa ma ga re sa. Saregama padani sa sani da pa ma ga re sa.
This is the first lesson. Now, Rag, we will sing one composition. I think Ab Tere Saath Holi in Rag Kafi. This I composed and also wrote few words in this. So this is also in Teen Tal, and it will start from. They will start from which beat?
Starts from beat 8.
From 12.
From 12.
Ab Tere Saath. Okay, so it's from. They will start from.
Starts from beat 12.
How it goes?
अब तेरे साथ होली खेलूंगी ना डरूंगी ज़माने से मैं अब तेरे साथ होली खेलूंगी ना डरूंगी ज़माने से मैं
That means up we start from 12 beat. That means da din din da din din da tin tin. अब तेरे साथ होली खेलूंगी ना डरूंगी ज़माने से मैं अब तेरे साथ. Now you play tabla and we will sing. Okay, all of us will sing for all of you. 3, 4. अब
तेरे साथ होली खेलूंगी ना डरूंगी ज़माने से मैं. अब तेरे साथ होली खेलूंगी ना डरूंगी ज़माने से मैं.
Saregama pa pa ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa when you start learning vocal, what you need to do more, of course, any guru will teach you composition and sargam, but which is the most important thing for voice, for gala, for हम लोग गला बोलते हैं हिंदी में, voice, तो गले को किस तरह से बनाना, how to train, because this is also like a baby. So I like how to train, how to explain. I will explain you. First note sa re ga. These are first note with the sarika. What note I am singing? Sa re ga. You sing sa re ga.
Sa re ga.
See, you can keep camera at her, but I want to explain. Take my voice. How she twist her sa and re and ga. Sa, one is sa re ga, second sa re ga. See, mark this. Come on, one more time.
Sa re ga.
Again.
Sa re ga. Sa re ga.
This time and go low pitch. Sa re ga pa.
Sa re ga pa.
Very good. One more time.
Sa ne dha pa.
This is the very important, but Guru teach after maybe 3, 4, 5 years later. But if you can start from the beginning, a little bit twist, how to turn your voice like this, kapkapi. Like those days when the Pandit and Guru Ustad, they teach our children. They put in the cold water, baby, and say, then they learn murchana, this kind of thing they learn those days. But here is now we don't have river all days, everywhere you can see the buildings and everywhere. 15 floors building, so more commercial this world right now. But when we are so perfect, our Guru, they are so perfect. They don't need water now. They can train like this. And I'm also one of them. I mean, I'm also a student. Only difference between me and them, only I'm a little bit ahead. That's all. But we are same. I'm also a student. I'm not a grad, but I'm also a student. So now I will request to Swati ji. Pa, ma, ga. See how to choose the pancham. Say.
Pa ma ga re sa. Pa ma ga re sa. Pa ma ga re sa.
And I will explain you again one more time that not necessarily you have to sing whole scale for practice. Take few notes and work on that, which is very important in any Hindustani classical music or world music. I can say that in Hindi we say ek sade sab sade. If you correct one piece, you can get a lot of pieces in music. So, which is very important, like pa, ma, ga, re, sa. You don't have to learn whole rag. And whole rag, there is nothing in the world whole rag. What is whole rag? I don't know. What is gharana? That also I can explain you later. But rag is scale. That's all. That is your practice and the composition you make. Your guru, big guru, they make composition. You sing and you improvise. That is complete rag. But otherwise, the rag is as well scale. This is kafi. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. This is Yaman. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. This is Sawan. Sa re ma pa ni sa sa ni pa ma re sa. Vrindavani sa. This is Khamma. Sa ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Bihar. Sa ga ma pa ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. So there is all rag, complete rag. Like this, if you can see, like for example, I have concert in noon time or afternoon time. So I have to see what rag I have to play. I cannot play Yaman. I cannot play Darbari Kangra, I cannot play Malkos, I cannot play Chandrakos, I cannot play any other evening raga, late night. But then I have to see noon raga is Mridamani Sarang, Sus Sarang, Madhmas Sarang, Madhuvanti. See, Madhuvanti goes like this. Sa ga ma pa ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa chodo chodo mori bhaiya jani chodo chodo
mori bhaiya na karo chodo chodo mori bhaiya na karo chodo chodo mori bhaiya na karo
तुमने मुझे सताया छोड़ो घर
जाने दो छोड़ो 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 मोरी भैया ना करो
This तरह से like this is Madhuvanti composition. Like there is many ragas which I can explain you, but it will go 2-3 days, all day, all night. I can talk about those ragas because I have learned from my guru, and so I want to explain when you don't learn vocal properly, when you start beginning. Because she is my student, she is a sitar player, sitar student. I will ask her to sing Sa Re Ga Ma Pa in Kafi. How it works? See, let's see. Sa Re
ga ma pa
Pa.
pa pa pa
Good.
ma ga re
No, but that's what I want to explain. See, she is a sitar student, a very good sitar student, because last 10 years she is learning from me. Because she is vocal learning, you have to learn vocal from the beginning. I never taught her vocal, so she is a. But now we will talk about my very senior, a very good student of mine in the school, and very genius man, Dr. David Gray. I will ask him to take one rag. Name of the rag Shiv Ranjini. Shiv Ranjini is Aro Amro is go like this. Sa Re Ga Pa Da Sa Da Pa Ga Re Ga Re Da Ga Re Sa. These are the notes we use in reciting. Sa Re Ga Pa Da Sa. Very good. Ranjana ji, can you talk to me about this rag? About Sa Re Shiv Ranjini?
What the rag that Pandit Habib Khan Sahab is showing you right now is a rag in which a lot of Bollywood movie songs have also been composed. It is a very popular rag, and maybe I can request him to just sing 2 lines to just show you, and then he will show you the composition he has created in rag Shivaranjani, and then you'll be able to compare how the notes are used. The same notes can be used for different songs.
Wow, that's very good. So if you can turn the camera, I will really appreciate. Good. This is the rag Shivaranjani, as you explained. Lot of filmy songs are like फेमस है, ये मस्ट हैव हर्ड. जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन कहते थे तेरी राहें, नज़रों को हम बिछाएंगे. जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन कहते थे तेरी राहें, नज़रों को हम बिछाएंगे. And I also in this rag, very like Thumri style, you can say that. We can use Shuddha also, like sa re ga pa ga re sa re ga pa da pa ga ga re sa. Sometime we can use, but I use only in Komal gas. Sa re ga pa da sa da pa ga re sa. So I will ask my student David, who is going to sing for you Rag Shiv Ranjini, which composed by me, and go ahead, please, David.
This composition that Pandit Habib Khan has made is in teen tal, 16 beats, which he explained earlier. And this composition starts from beat 9, from Kali. So if I show you just this Thai, अब ना मैं आऊंगी तुम्हारी बातों में, अब ना मैं आऊंगी तुम्हारी बातों में. This composition, as Panditji was saying earlier, there's always the aro and avro, the scale, and so much of that practice is important because this Thai is mainly just the aro avro. For example, da sa re ga pa da sa da pa ga re sa da sa re ga pa da pa ga. So if you get practice in the notes only, then this kind of composition becomes easy to do.
बोलो मेरा नाम डेविड है, हिंदी में बोलो, टॉक टू इन हिंदी.
हाँ जी, मेरा नाम डेविड है और मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि मैं खान साहब से मिला.
जी हिंदी में बात करते हैं. ठीक है. अब मैं वनीता कुमार, आप कितने साल से तार सीख रही हैं?
मैं 11 साल से यहाँ गुरुकुल में आई थी बच्चों को सिखाने. I had come here with my 2 kids and then very soon we got so mesmerized. All of our family have been learning from Khan Sahib for Pandit Habib Khan ji for last 11 years. And here at Habib Khan Saraswati Temple and Gurukul, we don't only get the music, we get the whole infrastructure, the culture. So what Pandit Habib Khan ji brings here to us. So this is our home away from home.
Wow, that's good. So we'll sing again. Hold this rag with the tabla, with the antra. Can anybody can explain the words? Abna mein aaungi.
So literal translation is a little tough, but basically the meaning, I'm not going to interfere in your business anymore. Radhaji says to Krishna, he's teasing her all the time. So she finally says, I've had enough. That's it. I'm not going to be involved with you at all. So ab na main aungi. I'm not going to come anymore. Tumhari baaton mein, in your business. I'm going to stay away from you. Be relaxed. No?
I won't be fooled.
I won't be fooled by
Yeah.
your sweet talk.
Should we cut that then?
Yeah, cut it.
So the words for this Thai essentially is part of the story from where Radha and Krishna, Krishna ji is always teasing Radha. So she finally says, I've had enough of that teasing. I'm not going to be fooled by you any longer. So ab na main aungi tumhari baaton mein. I'm not going to be fooled by you any longer.
Very good. So we'll sing now. All of us. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this is a composition Asta Yantra, and this we have to do like sa re ga pa ga re sa re ga pa da pa ga re sa. Then we can make tam. and then few tans in this, few alam in this same beat. So it's going to be, we can grow the rag, okay, improvisation, and that after 40 minutes is rag going to be completed. If you go a little more faster, and this is the, we teach everybody like that. Beginning, I already explained you in beginning, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa practice is very important. Sa re ga, I'll come back to Bilawal again. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. This is rag Bilawal. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. This exercise, this scale is very important to practice every day. You have to practice 1 hour, so you can able to play front of group, front of your friends, and after a few years. But you have to practice in sitar, vocal, whatever, sarangi, guitar, piano, whatever you, even tabla. I can explain you a little bit more, and then after this. So please remember, scale is more important, and ask your guru, whoever learning from, you are learning from whoever. So you can ask him or ask her. Kharaj. Kharaj means low saptak, low pitch. Very, 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 very important to practice every day, and not necessarily you have to practice in the morning or night. Whenever you have time, you should go and practice. Low, madhya saptak no, बल्कि मंद्र सप्तक हम कहते हैं इसको, मंद्र सप्तक, low pitch. Very, very important. One note, if you can stay 40 seconds, 35 seconds, 40 seconds, each note. Like, I'll give example with my student. 3, 4. Sa. These are notes. You can go ma ga re sa in low pitch, in madhya saptak. If you practice this, you will train your voice so fast within few years. So which is very, very important. I am explaining you again one more time. Kharaj, low pitch, which is very important to practice. Ask your guru. And scale is always. If any questions, you can ask again. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Namaskar. Namaste.
Namaste.
For online instruction, you can visit the Montagio website, where you will find instructional videos by Pandit Habib Khan. You can also buy his CDs, which include both music from jazz genre and Indian classical music, which has been written and composed by Pandit Habib Khan. In order to buy musical instruments or for repair of instruments, you can also contact us through the Montagio website. Thank you and namaste.